Alright, so this is Lavender Rose back at you. Do a little update. You can see I lowered. Where's the chickadees? As you can see, I lowered it down farther, so hopefully it'll keep the rain off of it. I tried to figure out how to do it, and I couldn't. The redbirds are a little suspicious. They're not real sure about it, but that's hanging low enough it should protect it from getting wet unless it's just really, really blowing rain. Probably doesn't look that pretty. You know what? Birdseed's expensive down here. I don't know about y'all's place. Seems like winter they go up in it because I know you're going to be feeding the birds. But anyway, so that's what I did. And I think it'll work out. Man, it's cold out here. I'm just out here in short sleeves, and it's cold. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's dang cold. So I'm going to let you watch the birds come in for a little bit. Let me sit down here on the thing, because they tend to... Oh, there we go. Grunt and groan, grunt and groan. Alright, let me see what I've got here. I think we're up the trees, aren't we? There we go. Sneak back out a little bit. There we go. Get back in there and watch the birds for a few minutes. Titmouse don't have a problem. He says, "Oh, this is cool. I live with that." Yeah, that's a lot steadier than me having to hold it. This little titmouse back again. Looks like they about cleaned it out. I'm going to have to go shake some more down there. Wow. Brr, it's cold. I wonder what the temperature is. Let's see. Oh man, it's supposed to be 32 tonight. That's Tuesday night. It's 39 tonight, I think. No, they keep changing it. Oh, it's 30 on Tuesday. Oh my gosh. I need that greenhouse up so bad. I don't know how to get it up. I mean, I could put it up and then we can move it around or something, maybe. Yeah, it's supposed to be 41 today. It's only 50 right now. No wonder it's kind of cold. And it's supposed to be 30 Tuesday night and then 39 Wednesday night. 30, dang, it's cold. It's below freezing. I need my greenhouse up bad. But he keeps, I don't want to put it up, and he's going to spray wash the top up there and all that bunch of junk, and spray a bunch of junk on it. That will never do. Not sure what I can do about it. Because it's pretty wide. I forgot how big it was, but it's pretty big. So anyway, nope, there's the bird feeder. That's how we remedied it, or how I did. Got there and cut the hole bigger. Had to cut it in two so I could wrap it around it and then put it back on there. So yeah, that did pretty good. Let's go shake that a little bit. Oh, there, that'll work. That'll make it better. Alright then. Like I said, the redbirds are just a little bit skittish, but they got that other one over there that's got some stuff in it, so they'll be alright. My son's off today. We really need to get that up. Jeez. What time is it? Alright, I'll let you know what happens. If not, I'm going to have to get out here and cover these up somehow. If I could just, well, I was trying to see if I could get the frame up, I could throw some plastic over it and keep it up off of it, but we'll have to see what I can do. All right, Labrador saying bye for now. Please like, subscribe, click that bell so you can get the videos, and I will see you next time. And I hope you enjoyed seeing that the little birds have now got some dry place to sit when it gets to raining. They can still come in and eat. Chickadees coming in getting theirs. They get one, they fly back out and eat it, crack it open, eat it, and then come back and get another one. They don't just sit there and eat. They're cute. Well, they'll fuss at you when that seeds get empty. All right, bye-bye for now.